Never bought a 3D printer and was like, hey, I gotta eat still, you know? I gotta eat. I spent a bunch of money on a thing and I still can't eat. Well, today we are going to figure out if you can cook an egg on a 3D printer, because any logical person would come to that conclusion at least once in their life. They would see like, hey, like, I mean, when you spend a bunch of money on a car, you hope for it to be able to drive. When you spend a bunch of money on a computer, you hope for it to work. When you spend a bunch of money on a 3D printer, you hope it can cook an egg. It's the only logical thing that you could think about. So, in today's wonderful live stream / video, depending on when you're watching this, we're to do just that. We're to see if the Elegoo Centauri Carbon can cook a fucking egg. We need to make sure that this thing is gonna heat up properly. What's a good temperature, you reckon? This is in Celsius. Let's do 110. Yeah, 110? You think that's hot enough? I think that's hot enough. Oh, we need to grab our spatula. Hold up, wait a minute, something right. Today, we are to get our daily dose of microplastics. Of course, we need some butter to do that. To start this journey off. Dude, hold up. Dude, it's only halfway. It's so hot right now. That's insane how hot that gets. Like that for now? So, what are we cooking on today? What majestic device have we chosen for our culinary experience? We have the Elegoo Centauri Carbon. It's a wonderful 3D printer. It has printed many things, so it is a great 3D printer, but that's irrelevant. Who cares? Who cares about print speed? Who cares about reliability? Who cares about stringing? If your 3D printer can't cook an egg, you might as well just call it the expensive box, because that's all it is. It needs to be able to cook an egg. Otherwise, you're lying to yourself. You're being coaxed into paying too much for a product that you're not going to use. Like, who actually uses their 3D printer to 3D print shit? You know what I mean? So, we got some butter, we got an egg, and then we are going to try to make some toast on the 3D printer, of course. We have our very clean spatula that has only been used for culinary purposes, of course. OSHA would very much approve. Oh my god, dude, that's hot. Dude, it's only at 90 degrees and it already hurts my hand to the touch. I mean, like, obviously, that's like, what, almost 200 fucking degrees. Today, we're gonna see if this Klenka can cook us some food. I'd say let's add some butter now, yeah? Of course, this is a culinary spatula designed for this exact use. Of course. Okay, let's see if it like actually sizzles. I'm so curious. Hold up. I'm gonna put the mic really, really close. We're at 110 degrees Celsius. Let's see. Do you hear the sizzle? Oh my god, it's sizzling. Oh my god. Yeah, this is microplastics final boss. It's literally sizzling, bro. It's literally sizzling. Now for the $1 million thing. Can we crack an egg? Let's see if we can do this. Hopefully the egg doesn't pop. Oh, or it doesn't go slide away. Oh. Well, there we go. Well, it's cooking, I suppose one could say. Hold up. We gotta add a little bit of salt all the way over here. Oh yeah, just like that. A divine culinary experience. A little bit of pepper, of course. Okay. Microplastics final boss. Okay, you can't even lie to me. This looks like the most bussin' egg you've ever seen in your life. I mean, yeah, it literally looks like it just did a Tokyo drift over here to this corner, but gotta take the highs with the lows. Peak. Hold up, I haven't read chat yet. Let's get chat going. Okay, let's see. Oh, yeah, exactly. The microplastics do put hair on your chest. Yes. Spatula also. Don't you worry. We got the divine culinary spatula designed for culinary uses. You can see the steam. That's insane. Oh, is that a new base plate, or have you used it before? We have used it before. Because I don't think base plate glue is edible. It's very edible. And don't worry, we don't use base plate glue because our printer is just that superior. Oh my god. Oh, we need to get a slice of bread going. Bam. All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut this where it's like a lot more usable. It's like, bam. Now we need a little bit more butter. And inside the corner over here, let's make this. Get this out of the way just a little bit. Oh my god, it's flaking. It's flaking. It's working perfectly. It's what we are to do. absolute W's right there. The egg is cooking flawlessly. I'm gonna try to eat this real quick. That is divine. That is divine. Oh my god. Well, I'm gonna try to read some more chat. What temp is the bed at? Oh, dude, the temp, it's like 110 Celsius. So like what's that in Fahrenheit? That's like a lot in Fahrenheit. Dude, that's cooking fucking well. You would be lying to me if you said that that wasn't cooking absolutely flawlessly. It's cooking so well. There's steam coming off of it. Got the bread going. Let's see, how's the bread doing? Oh, let me read chat. Let's see. We need a glass of orange juice with it. Oh my god, you're fucking right. What about a glass of milk? Does a glass of milk suffice? A glass of milk will suffice? We'll go get a glass of milk right now. Right where this white part is, it's boiling right there. Brother. Okay, do I flip it? Flip it. Okay. Let's see if we can flip it. I don't know if we should though. Like, let's see. It's separating, kinda. Okay. Working so far. It's separating surprisingly well. Okay, one more little bit in the back. It is completely free. Let's flip this thing, yeah? Well, I'd say that's flipped. Yeah, look at that. It's cooking. You can see on the bottom, there's like a line right at the very base. The camera's not picking up to it, but it is cooking. It's steaming. It's literally steaming, bro. This is about to be the most bussin' egg sandwich I've ever had in my life. Microplastics final boss. The $1 million question is, can we get this thing from this thing? I'm gonna remove this. I'll try that real quick. Divine. There's a little in life that could screw up such a divine experience, you know? Like, if you buy a 3D printer, I mean, you gotta use it to cook an egg at least once. Dude, I have congested like my month's worth of microplastics. Absolutely divine. It literally has become a piece of toast. Massive W. It's at 107 degrees Celsius. It is almost cooked thoroughly through. Oh my god. It's perfect right now. It's done. It's literally done. We're gonna shut off the bed because I've actually never ran a hotbed this hot before. I assume one would, only if they were trying to dissolve titanium is my only conclusion to why someone would need a 110 degree bed. Let's test the toast. Let's flip it over. Oh my god, it literally became toast. Like, this is actually buttered toast right now. Okay, let's get the egg onto the buttered toast. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have your 3D printed breakfast. I need to grab a glass of milk for this excursion. Okay, Jesus Christ. So how did it turn out? Well, you tell me. You tell me, how did that turn out, huh? 3D printed bread. Sorry, cooked on a 3D printer bed. How'd that turn out? Yeah? Now, the $1 million question is, though, how does it taste? Well, let's find out. All right. It cooked it perfectly. It cooked it perfectly. Oh my god. Like, look at this. It's soft and gooey on the inside. Nice tender outside. Oh my god. The bread literally turned into a toast. It literally turned into toast on the printer. That's divine. Oh my god. Oh, get a glass of muck. Ah, nice milk bears. You got me this. Dude, this is actually busting. Oh, final bite. Conclusion. 3D printers make excellent cooking utensils. Gives you a nice light, heats it up, nice slow. You know, sometimes you cook a little too fast. You're not gonna burn on this. It slows you down. Makes you methodic, think about what it is you're doing. That was divine. We need to talk about something real quick. We need to talk about something. This is called the fuck around and find out graph. It's a very important graph. Fuck you if you care about my spelling. Right down here is the fuck around. The fuck around. Over here is the find out graph. Find out. We need to look at this graph real quick, right? You can tell just by looking at this. The more you fuck around, the more you're gonna find out. You fuck around so much. Let's say you fuck around 3. You did 3 fucking around. Look at this. You're gonna find out 3. Fuck around 3, you're gonna find out 3. One can only conclude then that if you don't fuck around, you're not gonna find out. The more you fuck around, the more you're gonna find out. Fuck around, find out. Fuck around more. Find out more. It is a linear graph. What am I referring to? What am I talking about? What is this idiot that's across the planet yapping about right now? This channel, we have one goal: to fuck around as much as possible, to find out as much as humanly possible. That is what this channel is going to be about. And if you want to fuck around with us and find out the secrets to the universe with us, consider subscribing, because we're going to be doing a lot of fucking around here. That is the lecture for the day. All right. After watching this video, I need you boys to go fuck around. I don't care if it's the morning. I don't care if it's the afternoon. I don't care if it's the middle of school and you're in the middle of your lunch break. I need you to fuck around as much as you can so that you can actively find out as much as you possibly can. That's your goal. That is your mission. It's your homework, is to go find out as much as possible. If you plan on doing that, well, congratulations. Welcome to the gang. Join that Discord. I appreciate every single one of you. It's time for you to go fuck around. That's what that means. It's time for you to go fuck around. Si offre a far da guida per la città.